Hi, I just took the first batch off the griddle. So you're gonna be so surprised to see these. It's Toy Story. Oh my gosh. Are you excited about it coming out? And I think it's the end of the, is sometime in June. So here we have, I have to turn them around. Here we have some really cute little pancakes. And I used these pancake molds. They're like, what are they called? Molds and stencils. So here's somebody you probably know, Woody, right? And then I've got Buzz Lightyear and the alien. So let's put them on the griddle, excuse me, not the grill, the griddle. Oh, so glad to have you joining me. I forgot, I'm Sarah Stovetop, and I'm joining you on Tool Time Tuesday. It is episode 88, and we're talking pancakes, but really the most exciting thing is Toy Story 4 pancake molds and stencils. So I'm gonna let these cool and let's get another batch on the griddle, and that way you can see that. Oh, and here's our friend Hobbs. He came to say hi. Hobbs, sit. Oh, good boy. Would you like a biscuit? I know you would. Okay, hold on. Let me give him a biscuit because he won't leave me alone unless I give him a biscuit. All right, baby. Come on over here and show the people how good a boy you are. Come here and sit. Oh, good boy. There you go. Okay. So, okay. That's done. He always comes in when I'm on Tool Time Tuesday. So funny. All right. So, we've got these guys cooling. Let's get a batch on. I made a batch of pancake mix that's gluten-free for my husband. And my mother-in-law gave this to us. It's called Wheats End, W-H-E-A-T-S, and gluten-free pancake mix, and it has a lot of stuff in it. I'm not even going to read it to you right now, so because I want to get another batch on here. So, oh hey Carol, thanks for joining also. So this is the mold. I already oiled it a little bit, and I'm going to put it back on the griddle, excuse me, and then we're going to add some. Let's put these guys down here. And it doesn't matter what order I had them in, different order. Oh, here's another really cute Toy Story item. Sporky. Is he not adorable? That's a new character. So you guys, I don't know if you have kids that you want to share the Toy Story experience with them. But can you see me doing this? I hope you can see. Oh, it didn't dawn on me that I might be. There we go. The problem is that you're right. This is the whatchamacallit, the microwave. So I'm doing like quarter cups full, and let's get one more in here. And this is so that was Buzz Lightyear, and this is the alien. You know, the one that's in the I think those were in the machine, right? The little machine. Get that. Get you in there. And make sure we fill all of these little nooks and crannies here. There's not too many of them, because obviously that would be too hard to do with a pancake mold. All right, so we're gonna let those bubble a little bit. I'm back. Let's go over here and, whoops, behind the scenes. I better turn you around. You know, we do try to make it look neat, but then there's always like stuff in it off on the corner. So, okay, so what is your favorite Toy Story character? Tell me in the chat below. Okay, so we're gonna do, while I'm waiting for you guys to do that, which one should I do first? Should I do Buzz Lightyear? We're gonna put a little powdered sugar on them. Or should I do Woody? Or let's see, oh, the alien. So those are your three choices. I'm gonna show you what the molds look like. They're so cute. So here's Woody's face. He's gonna go on, I'm actually gonna line them up right now while I'm thinking about it. Let's put this down here. So, can you see that? All right. Okay, hold on. 1 second. Let's get this. There we go. Okay, technical difficulties. All right. So there's Woody on there. Is he cute? All right, so we got Woody, and then we need Buzz Lightyear. He goes like this. And then, of course, there's the alien dude. And I think he goes like, I don't remember. I think he goes like that. All right, so we're just gonna pour powdered sugar on. Normally I'd use the powdered sugar shaker, but I have flour in here, so I have to use like my old-fashioned one that has it in there. So it has the powdered sugar in there. So which one should I do first? Did anybody give me a comment? Oh, I can't see. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to decide if you guys are not gonna tell me. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go with the one that's the closest to me, which is Buzz Lightyear. So we're gonna shake some powdered sugar on him. And let's see how it turns out. I'm so excited to try this. I'm such a kid at heart. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh, look at that, how cute! Oh my gosh, adorable, adorable. What do you think? Can you see? Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh. All right, the next one is gonna be Woody. Oh, I better check these guys. All right, I think they're almost done. Okay, Woody, and I'm just sticking this over here, trying to line up the hat. And here we go. Woody. Make sure I get his face done. Woo! Powdered sugar up the nose. Oh, there he is. How cute. Okay, and then the last one's gonna be the alien. What do you guys think? Thumbs up? Happy? What do you guys think? Here's the alien. I got a couple other really cool. Oh my gosh, look at how adorable. Okay, come on, you guys. What do you think of this? Tell me. I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. But now we've got to make sure that we don't burn the next batch. So hold on a second. Okay. My goodness. Okay, let's see if we can't get these off. There we go. 1, 2. See how easily they come off? You just oil them. It's so easy. All right. Oh, and then check out this Turner. Ham. Do you guys remember Ham? He's so adorable. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got him a little too dark. Oh, well. I was talking too long. Okay. Sometimes the operator doesn't do a great job. Okay. What can I say? Once in a while I burn something. Do you ever burn anything? Let me know. I'm not alone. That's why I let my husband do the grilling, because he just goes out there and sits with it. And I come in and I'm fussing, and then I forget that it's out there. And it's the same thing with the griddle, I guess, because I was just chatting with you. So, okay, so you see how easily it came out of the mold, like so easily. Now these are silicone, they're good to like 628 degrees, so they're not going to melt on you. They're dishwasher safe. I just washed them by hand, or actually Mitch washed them by hand for me, which was nice of him. I'm going to turn this down so I don't burn anything more. These are awesome. Okay, and one more. I'm going to take them off the griddle because I'm guessing they're really done. Okay, let's see what the other side looks like. Hopefully I didn't wreck them. Oh, I'm having trouble getting it off. Well, a little bit better on the other side. All right. I turned the griddle off because it got too hot. And then we'll do another set of the stencils. What do you think? Do you have a favorite? You know what? These pancakes smell like they've got cinnamon in them. They're very cinnamon-esque, cinnamony, whatever. Okay, so I think these are really cool. So these, I think this would be a really great brunch, and we're actually having brunch here over the weekend, so I may be making some of these. I'm also gonna do over the weekend, I got some of those Trader Joe's makes the cinnamon rolls, I guess they are. They're in a refrigerator pack. They're like big, but I'm gonna roll them out and I'm gonna use them in the bubble waffle pan or the waffle puff pan, make bubble waffles out of them. I think that'll be really cool. All right, so I'm gonna do one more. Does anybody have a preference? Or you want to tell me which one you would like, which one would you eat? Do you want Buzz Lightyear? Do you want the alien or Woody? So let's do these last ones. I'm gonna have Mitch be the taste tester for this recipe. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, there we go. Okay, so I've got the alien. I'm gonna get him done really quickly. All right, so it's Tool Time Tuesday. It is Tuesday, May 21st. And this is episode 88. And there's my alien, looking good. I keep just knocking the, once I'm done, I would put the, take it and let it go in the kitchen, not in the kitchen, in the sink. There we go. Okay. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's only one way. Wow, look at that. It's one way. For this guy, anyway. You got to do it on the first side that's down. Good to know. Didn't matter for this one, but for Woody, it seems to matter. All right, there's Woody. So cute. A little dark. All right, and then the last one is my friend Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. Isn't that what he says? Okay, so in the chat below, let me know which one was your favorite of the stencils. Here we go. So cute. Oh my God. Actually, I think these actually are kind of a little more obvious for you. So there you have it. Buzz Lightyear. Vote now. Buzz Lightyear, Woody, or the alien. Of course, you could vote for Ham as well. Or the spork. I think, oh no, he's a fork. Then there's Forky. This is a really great, I love when they make the specialty scrapers, because I love the wooden handles, or they're actually, I think, bamboo handles. These are such great scrapers. They're really sturdy but flexible, yet flexible. So anyway, so that's what I've got for you today. This has been Tool Time Tuesday. We've been doing some pancakes, some Pixar pancakes, and we are, Pampered Chef has partnered with Disney Pixar to bring you some characters from the new movie that's coming out, Toy Story 4. So let me know what you think in the chat below. I would love to, I'd love to hear from you. I'm gonna finish up this batch of pancakes and get them ready. And what Mitch doesn't eat tonight, he can have over the long haul. I'm gonna freeze them for him. So he'll have pancakes all week long. Have a great evening. Thanks for joining me on Tool Time Tuesday. It's Sarah Stovetop, episode 88. Let me know what you're thinking about all these new tools. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.